Hello, this video will tell you about the second principle of testing. Principle 2 says that exhaustive testing is impossible. Please remember this, exhaustive testing is impossible. The first point to understand about this is testing everything is not feasible. Just because we have a software doesn't mean we can test every single bit of it. The second point is whenever we do testing, it has to depend on risk analysis. What is the risk of that particular system? Depending upon that, we have to see what kind of testing is required. Then we focus on what type of test techniques are needed and what are the priorities of different features. We can't just test everything. We need to prioritize certain parts based on how important they are. The final point is to focus test effort. When we are testing a feature, we need to know how much effort it requires. This is why exhaustive testing is impossible. Testing requires a certain amount of effort, and that is why testing everything is not feasible. Let's use an example here. Say a customer's requirement is the following. LED shall glow when speed is between 15 and 90 kilometers per hour. So, there is an LED that will only glow when the speed is between 15 and 90. One way of testing this requirement is to do a boundary value analysis. For this test, we have taken 6 values. On one end, we have 14, 15, 16, and on the other end, we have 89, 90, and 91. So, when we do the testing, the LED should not glow at 14 or 15, and on the other, it should not glow for 90 or 91. It should only work for 16 and 89. So, only by using 6 values we can test if the software meets the customer's requirements. But it is also possible to test with all the values between 15 and 90. But that will consume a lot of time and effort. Also, the boundary values serve our purpose. So, this is the reason that we say that testing each and every part of the feature is not feasible. It is possible, but not practical. Of course, if the customer asks us, then we can perform testing on all the values in between. So, that is it with this video. I'll see you in the next one. Happy testing.